This abbreviated video will show very quickly the installation process for this version of Linux. A video of the complete process would be rather lengthy, so instead I've taken several screenshots of the more significant screens and put them together into a sort of slideshow that will page through this installation process. There's three distinct phases. The first is a pre-installation, where you set certain things up, select software, and set up, partition the hard drive. We'll show that. Once you've done that, the system then knows what packages to install, so it starts installing them from the DVD, and you'll see the package names start scrolling or flashing on the screen. At that point, you pretty much can walk away and let it install for a while. It may take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, maybe up to an hour, depending upon your system. After that, all the packages are installed and the installation is finished, the system will then reboot and go into a post-installation configuration mode where some additional things are set up, such as host name and some other networking settings. This is the welcome screen that you get when you first boot the system. And then the installation menu shows where there's an installation option. There's other options there. We'll show those, talk about those later. For right now, just highlight installation and press enter. The system will then start loading the kernel and then load some other things as shown here, and then it will start a graphic load, and this progress bar will scroll across the screen. It may take a little while for that to display. Just let it run. The first step of the pre-installation shows the license agreement that you have to just click next on to accept. Notice on the left side the steps that it's going to go through, where you have preparation and installation. It'll show you each of the steps it's going to page through. On this installation mode screen, there's two options there. You want to highlight new installation, and then more importantly, there's an option there for use automatic configuration. You want to make sure that is unchecked. We want to make some changes to this, so we don't want the system doing it for us. So uncheck that box and have new installation checked before you click next. Now you want to set up your time zone. I think it defaults to Eastern time zone, so you want to use this drop-down box to select Central, which is going to focus on Chicago, same time zone that we're in. Region should already be set at USA, and the hardware clock set to UTC should already be set. Here you can select your graphic desktop system. I think this will default to KDE. Uncheck that though and check other and select XFCE. We'll install the others and take a look at them later, but for now just select XFCE.